A very lovely and beautiful morning for all. Today, we are going to discuss section B of sample paper 2 that consists of 20 marks. There will be 3 questions, and one student was asking that paragraph and application both will come. Yes, dear, I must tell you here that paragraph and application both will come, and you have to attempt both. Like there will be 3 questions. First question is of paragraph, that will be of 8 marks. And now your first question is, write a paragraph on my grandmother. So here it is. You can see I have written one paragraph on my grandmother. You can take some of the sentences from here. So it is of 8 marks. You need to write at least 9 to 10 sentences. So I am quickly reading it. Hope you are listening me very carefully. My grandmother. My grandmother is a very sweet person. She likes me very much and takes care of my brother and me. My grandmother cooks very well. When my mother has gone for work, my grandmother prepares food for us. Her preparation will be delicious, and we will enjoy eating sweets made by her. My grandmother is very experienced in drawing. Because of her, I was able to learn drawing very well. Last month, I participated in a painting competition and I won first prize. My grandmother also teaches us clean habits and advises us to be disciplined anywhere we go. I love my grandmother very much. So I have written these lines. You can add many more. So you can take the sentences from this paragraph or you can learn it. So I hope you will be able to write a paragraph on my mother. This is a paragraph in a paragraph form. Don't write in the form of sentences with numbering. So you have to write like this. Now next question is yours. Application. So this is an application to the principal of your school for an urgent piece of work at home. So here it is. So first of all, you have to draw margin line as I discussed you in the previous video. Same as it is you have to do. Yeah, I thought I have that you have learned it. So quickly revise it again. First of all, you have to draw margin line. Then write down to whom you are writing, receiver's address, to whom you are writing, then address of your school. If you are a student of Sonipat, write down Sonipat. Then date, today's date you have to write. This is the date of April, so leave it. Write down today's date. Then the subject is very necessary that you have to write. That is requesting for leave. Then you have to write in the next line salutation, that is sir or ma'am. Then in the next line you have to write down body of the application. That is, most respectfully, I wish to state that I have an urgent piece of work at home. So I cannot attend the school on the date. The next due date you will write of January, and you can mention the day even, that on 25th of January 2021. You can write that date. And then after you have to change the paragraph and you will write, I shall be highly obliged to you. And at last you have to write subscription, that is thanking you, yours sincerely. Y should be capital in yours. There will be no full stop, no comma, no apostrophe. Then sincerely. In sincerely, S should be small. Then write down your name, mention your class, your roll number, and then you have to draw finishing line. So in this way you have to write application. Now next question is yours, that is picture composition, that is of 5 marks. So you need to write this application in present tense, like what you can see in this picture, that you have to write. You have to draft 5 to 6 sentences on it. Like this is a picture of a village. There is a well, there are so many trees, there are so many huts. So like this, there is a goat. So in this way you have to write down 5 to 6 sentences. So I hope you will be able to do section B. At last you have to draw double finishing line. Do it and submit it in the classroom. Thank you and have a nice day.